Welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you a quick tutorial on how to model thermos in Maya. This is my file and this is my render output. Let's hide everything. To create any of the asset, the most important thing is to get the references. So gather as much as you can. To import our reference image in Maya, click on View, Image Planes, Import Image. We have splitted our viewport. One is side and the other one is perspective. We are starting with the basic shape. We are adding some support edges for subdivision mode. To create these square shapes, we select edges, we bevel them, then we select the faces, extrude them and apply some supporting edges. We are using helix as a reference for our multi-cut guidelines. We are making our current geometry as live so that we can make a polygon on top of it. We are creating half side so that we can mirror it. Finally, we have completed our model.